Hello my friends, today I'm here at the Morgan factory car park for another car meeting. Like always, I don't know what type of cars I'm gonna see. This is not big, but I always found good quality of cars. I have found even supercars and some hypercars. And today, once again, I'm gonna change the way I'm gonna see this car meeting. Now today, I'm gonna give to every single car that I will see, I will say 1 to 10. So I'll give 1 to bad, for example, and I'll give 10 to the best cars that I think I will see. Let's go. Eight, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 9, 10, 9, 9, 10, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 9 and a half, 10, 10, 9, 9, 8 and a half, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 3, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 3, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 10, 9 and a half, 10, 10, 10, 9 and a half, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9 and a half, 8 and a half, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 8, 9 and a half, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 3, 9 and a half, 10, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. I will have to end my video here by one of the most beautiful cars and iconic cars, the Range Rover. We got here the Mercedes SL and a TVR there. I couldn't miss it. That was my favorite cars here at the Morgan Company factory here in Malvern in the county of Worcestershire. I had so much fun. I saw amazing cars, even supercars here, and that's why I always go to car meetings, because I don't know what type of cars you're going to find. Now the summer is almost gone, but actually this is full of cars. I'm here at the car park at the Morgan factory, but the main car park, there's awesome cars here, but actually I found my favorite cars here on the normal car park. You never know what you're gonna find. For example, wherever you live, for sure they will have a car meeting. Go and see it, because you can be blown away. It does help you with your mental health. It does help, Mr. Wig. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I will be very grateful. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.